am a baby. Boo boo baba goo goo gaga. I'm gonna close my eyes. Let me know when it's over. Oh, I was out for 3 hours? Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Really? I snore? Oh my god. There was a post-credit scene? God damn. Oh man, I didn't even notice. Said some super weird stuff in your sleep. Oh, well, that's not new. I would never say that I would want to play League. You know that's a lie. Why'd you snore like it was the last breath of air in a room full of Discord mods? Why was that so oddly specific? I am a baby. Boo boo baba goo goo gaga. Oh, well, I always knew that. You are a bit of a baby, but that's okay. Aren't we all?